Magluluto ko ng palabok, saan yung atsuete? Pwede mo magluto ng palabok na wala atsuete? Umayos ka rin.
Hindi ko nga alam.
Wala ka ng trabaho mo yan.
Hindi ko alam eh.
Sige, gagawan ko ng paraan. Kinakabahan ako sa'yo ha. Magsushoot pa naman ako ngayon. May nag-request na magluto ka ng palabok today. Ang problema, wala akong atsuete. Kaya naisipan ko, gagawa tayo ng palabok na puti. Kaya ba natin gawin? Let us see. So meron ako dito, pinaghahanda ko na yung aking mga sahog. It's practically the same kind of palabok minus the orange color. Kasi di ba, meron namang carbonara at may spaghetti. Baka pwede din gawing puti yung ating palabok. So let us start. Isa lang natin ating shrimp at ating pusit. Mainit. Yan. Light cooking kasi pang topping natin to. Season with our Maggi. Set aside para topping. Oil. Then pipituhin natin yung ating tinapa. So gusto natin mangyari, magkalasa na yung ating pan even before we start cooking the sauce. So let us see if this experiment of ours works. So ito ang aking tinapa. Prito-prito. So may smokiness na yung ating oil. Then, next step, magigisa tayo ng bawang. Sibuyas. And we will add a little bit of butter para maging malinamnam. Butter or margarine. And lalagyan natin ng konting giniling na baboy. Ground pork. Gigisa natin yan. And we will season with a little bit of patis yung ating giniling. And ito, papahimay ko yung aking tinapa. So, pero himay tinapa, then yung ulo, itabi mo ha, gagamitin ko pa yun. Pag medyo naluto na yung ating giniling, harina, para sa ating thickener, you're making sort of a roux. And now, meron tayong tubig natin. Nilagyan ko na rin to ng konting salt and patis. Then, lalagay yung ating bihon. Salted yung ating tubig. Lalagay natin yung ating bihon noodles. And let it cook. And dito naman sa ating meat, lalagyan ko ng milk. So, instead of our usual na pangpapula, pangpakulay at chwete, I am using milk. Pwede fresh milk, pwede evaporated milk. Evaporated milk, yung gamit natin. Mix namin dito. Pero hindi pa ito ha, because we will add a little bit of our pasta water or our noodle water. And ating noodles, luto na siya. Tatabi natin yung ating noodles. So, kayo, tingin nyo, pwede ba to? First time ko pa itong gagawin ha, kaya let us see kung magiging successful yung ating eksperimento. Yan. And ang ating pinaglagaan ng ating noodles, we will use that to thin out our white sauce. No? So yung ulo ng ating hipon, pwede mong ilaga din dito. You can blanch it to get as much flavor as possible. And we will thin out our white sauce to the right consistency na para talaga siyang palabok. At kung may mga juices from your sauteed shrimp and your squid, halo din natin. Add all the flavor here. Yan. And dapat masaucy ha. So, hindi tayo magiging stingy sa sauce. Yan. And to give our sauce that much needed flavor, we are adding a pack of Maggi Magic Sarap para maging manilamnam yung ating sauce. And we will add season with a little bit more patis. And I am adding white pepper. Medyo parang promising tong ginagawa natin. Feeling ko magiging masarap to. Hindi ako masyadong kinakabahan. But kayo guys, what do you think? Magwo-work ba yung ating palabok na puti? Mestiza palabok. Mix everything. Pero titikman ko muna. Weird ba sa tingin niyo? Pero I think it's going to work. Kasi pag nakapikit ka, palabok pa rin talaga yung lasa ng sauce. But we will make it even more palabok because I will be adding crushed chicharon to the sauce. Yan, yung mga finong-finong chicharon that will add texture and flavor. Feeling ko masarap to. At feeling ko magugustuhan nyo to. Then, itong hard-boiled eggs ko, hindi pa ako tapos dahil itong hard-boiled eggs ko, chop natin itong ating eggs. Gagawin natin fino, ha? Yan. And we will add it to the sauce para each bite, meron na talagang chicharon and meron ding flavor ng ating egg. Add it here. Yan. And let us stir. Chunky and very flavorful yung ating sauce. Chunky and very flavorful yung ating sauce. Titikman ko ulit kung nag-change ba yung flavor profile ng ating palabok na puti. Masarap siya. Masarap siya. Lalagyan ko din ng konting black pepper. I think we have a winning recipe here. And let us clean up. We are done and I'm so excited. Nakaka-excite pero nakaka-tense din yung mag-experiment ka ng something new, something unexpected, especially pag may handaan ka. Pero feeling ko, I am testing this recipe para when you try it yourself, kung successful ako, surely ma-recreate nyo and magiging happy yung inyong bagong recipe to introduce to your families. A little bit more sauce, mas saucy, mas masarap. Now we will add the traditional topping, starting with chicharon for some crunch, tinapa for some smokiness, squid and shrimp for that palabok experience, and spring onions, hard-boiled eggs for the win, and calamansi. And that is it. Palabok na puti. Let's see if it works. And let's see if it works. Tignan natin. Na-excite ako dito. Mix, mix, mix. Oh. Para talaga siyang palabok. No question about it. Iba lang yung kulay niya. But maganda siya. No? It's a winner. And it's time for me to taste this creation of ours. Pwede kaya itong sumikat na recipe? Palabok na puti. Pero let us see if it's good enough. Parang feeling ko mas gusto ko pa ng konti. More. Taste muna natin na walang kalamansi. Ang ganda. The first ever palabok puti na matitikman ko sa buong buhay ko. And I don't know kung meron na bang nakagawa na ganito before. Pero let us see if it's successful. Kung nakapikit ka, it just tastes like a very good palabok. Pero may certain creaminess. Masarap pa ito pag may lechong kawali or chicharon bulaklak on top, no? Mas masarap pa siya pag may kalamansi. Ito talaga. It is unmistakably palabok. No question about it. Hindi mo sasabihin pa, ang weird naman. It tastes like palabok. It feels like palabok, and it is palabok. Palabok na puti. This is a winner. You should try this recipe. It's perfect for those who want something traditional with a playful Christmas upgrade. Sometimes the best holiday dishes are the ones that surprise you in the best way. Fun interesting, and guaranteed to inspire your guests. You're ready to make this palabok puti recipe this Christmas. Sobra akong natuwa dito sa ating imbento today, palabok na puti. And I want to let you taste it. Ito siya. And tell me what you taste. Ito. Oh, come on. Oh. Ito, share muna kayo dyan. Pero, it's really amazing. Sige. Nakaka-happy? Tikman mo. Isipin ng tao, gumigimik tayo. Pero kung sa lasa pa lang and the experience, I'm like, pwede siya. Di ba? Oh, pag nakapikit ka, palabok siya. Di ba? Mas malinamnam siya dahil sa gatas. Winner? It's a winner. Kaya ito, try nyo yung ating simple recipe, palabok na puti. Simple!
Simple.ph. Living made simple.